Hi, I'm Dan Corbett, Vice President of Finance for CBT Company. I'd like to provide you with a brief overview of what we do in accounting. The primary mission of the accounting department is to protect the assets of the company. We do this by maintaining a series of systems and processes to accurately track, capture, and report the financial results of our operations. As a distributor, many of those systems focus on inventory. We need to know what products we have on hand, know what comes in the door every day, and pay the vendors for the products we receive. This is a primary function of the accounts payable department. We need to know what goes out the door every day, invoice customers for the items shipped, and collect payments for those invoices. This is a primary function of the credit department. We also maintain systems to pay all employees, track the purchase of fixed assets such as vehicles, equipment, and computers, and monitor and pay all of the expenses incurred in the everyday operations of the company. These systems feed transaction data into the general ledger, which is summarized monthly to produce financial statements. We utilize budgets as a measuring stick against those financial statements to determine if our actual results are in line with expectations. The financial statements are distributed internally to the leadership team to assist in the business decision-making process. This information also forms the basis for the various tax returns required to be filed at the federal, state, and local level. In summary, the accounting department maintains the financial relationship with all of our customers, vendors, employees, banks, and governmental agencies.